The company Aeropilot Ltd. was established in conjunction with the company Inpro Czaslaw Ltd. to manufacture ultralight aircrafts for you. The designer and chief constructor of the Legend aircraft is Mr. Peter Mara, who has built many replicas and historical models of aircraft. For example, those seen in the war movies Red Baron and Red Tails. The company Aeropilot Ltd. received the Czech type certificate for the ultralight Legend aircraft from Czech LAA in December of 2012. And then started a series production of the aircraft. The all-composite Legend aircraft is suitable for sport and recreational flying, as well as for tourism. This airplane will impress you with the high standard of its very spacious crew cabin, its excellent flying characteristics and performances, the easy flight control, and its smooth takeoff and landing. The Legend is a very comfortable, stable, and easily operated high-wing airplane. Its excellent behavior in the air means that this aircraft is also suited for use in flight training for beginners. The ultralight Legend aircraft provides an above-standard paired space for a crew and baggage. Spacious doors enable comfortable entry and baggage handling, and adjustable seats ensure an optimal position for pilots of all heights. 4-point harnesses, a solid Kevlar cabin, and parachute rescue system will ensure the maximum safety of the crew in the event of an emergency situation. The partitions for the introduction of forces from the undercarriage, the rescue system, stabilizer, turn indicator, guy belts, and wings are sealed into the fuselage of the aircraft. The cabin has 2 doors on each side, which are designed to open against the direction of flight. The wing is constructed using a sandwich design with a carbon composite material. The undercarriage is a tricycle design with front-wheel steering. The fuel system has 2 fuel tanks. The ultralight Legend aircraft can be equipped with 3 types of Rotax engines and 2 types of propellers, fixed and electrically adjustable. The plane can be equipped with classic analog instruments in combination with navigation GPS or a glass cockpit, which includes flying, engine, and navigation instruments as well as a transponder. The cruising speed of the Legend aircraft is 210 kilometers per hour, and its range is 1,300 kilometers in 7 hours. Let's summarize the advantages of the ultralight Legend aircraft. These are excellent flying characteristics and performances, easy flight control, a very spacious crew cabin of a high standard, comfortable boarding, a perfect view from the cabin, and a luxurious leather interior. From the point of view of ergonomics, the points in which this aircraft excel are its rigid controls, upper pedals, radio controls on the control yoke, and a parking brake. Our aim is your comfort. The Legend boasts efficient 2-zone heating, length and height adjustable seats, door pockets, tilting central armrest, and sun visors. Do you dream about flying? Would you like to fly the ultralight Legend aircraft? The company, Aeropilot Ltd., will be happy to fulfill your wishes.